Good morning, dear parents and dear students. Welcome back to today's online class. I am here, Sister Pavitra, to teach you English subject from now onwards. Dear students, I hope you all are safe at home and studying well the English subject. And I know now you are very smart enough to read and write the letters of cursive letters and the spellings of letters you have learned very well because Annu ma'am has taught you so well and you are expert now in writing too. Dear students, please do study well and revise every day and learn the spellings of it and do practice every day writing practice. It is most important to improve handwriting. Okay, so dear students, and ma'am has taught you different exercises, matching the pictures, writing the spellings, and some jumble words also she had taught you how to write correct spelling of it, and so many different exercises she has taught you, and she had taught you also A7 words, E7 words, and I7 words. Now we started with the O7 words. Isn't it? Yes. And today I am going to revise you the I joining letters practice. Okay, to read and to write also. So here are the I joining letter words are here. So please repeat after me. Okay. B-I-B bib, N-I-B nib, P-I-G pig, Z-I-P zip, L-I-P lip. D-I-P dip, F-I-N fin, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, B-I-N bin. I know ma'am has taught you its meaning too. Okay, so please do write and to learn also the spellings of it. Okay, and learn the pronunciation too. Okay, so once again we'll repeat. B-I-B bib, N-I-B nib, P-I-G pig, Z-I-P zip, L-I-P lip. D-I-P dip, F-I-N fin, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, B-I-N bin. Okay, these are the I joining letters practice. Okay, and now you are going to learn O7 words. In that you are going to learn O and Pa. Okay, O and Pa. Op. Op sound words. O, Pa, op. O, Pa, op. O, Pa, op. Okay, so there are few sounds of it with O, Pa, op. Okay, Ka, op, cop. Ha, op, hop. Ma, op, mop. Pa, op, pop. Ta, op, top. Okay, Ka, op, cop. Ha, op, hop. Ma, op, mop. Pa, op, pop. Ta, op, top. Okay, Ka, op, cop. Ha, op, hop. Ma, op, mop. Pa, op, pop. Ta, op, top. Okay, these are the sounds of op. Okay, please do learn and repeat at home with the sounds of it. Okay, so its meaning top. I have seen you play with it. Yes, Lattu. Okay. Then pop. Popcorn you have seen. When we are frying, it comes up. Okay. Mop. Did you see the mop? Wiping mop in the house? Mama is cleaning in the house sometimes with wiping cloth. Yes, mopping. Then hop. You have seen the rabbit jumping and coming. Okay. So that is hop. Then cop. You have seen the policeman. Yes. So ka op cop, ha op hop, ma op mop, pa op pop, ta op top. So these are the words. Please to learn and repeat with the sounds of it. Okay. Then you are going to learn 3-letter words writing and reading. Okay. 3-letter words of. Here are 3-letter words. Okay. So you have to read also and write also in proper way. Okay. How the Annu ma'am has taught you, the same way you need to practice and write. Starting from the corner. Okay. So these are the 3-letter words. Here you see the cup. Okay. It is hot cup. Coffee maybe can be tea also. Okay. It is a hot cup. Okay. Ha, ot, hot. H-O-T, hot. Pa, ot, pot. P-O-T, pot. Ka, ot, cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. Okay. Hot, pot, cot. These are the 3-letter words. How will you write? Okay. So starting from the corner. Okay. Starting from the corner where I am putting dot. Okay. There starting. Okay. Write first H. H. Tip of it write O. Tip of it T. Yes. H-O-T, hot. Okay. Then starting again, corner, pa, p. Okay. Then tick off it O. Then tick off joining with the T. Okay. Pa, ot, pot. Then starting from the corner, P, tick off O, tick off T. Okay. Pa, ot, pot. Then starting from the corner, C, tick off O, tick off T. Okay. So this is the way you have to write the letters. Note writing as you like. Okay. Maybe liking like this. These all are wrong. Okay. These all are wrong. So you have to write well neatly. Okay. So starting from the corner. Okay. Starting from the corner, you have to write the letters in a proper way. With the proper lines made. Okay. So please to practice and learn to write in a proper good handwriting. Okay. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.